Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making the Vela top by Aura.fibres. I'm going to be using this cotton yarn and I think it's just the perfect green with this pink for the border. Look how adorable. It's going to be so cute. So cute. I might need more yarn, so I might have to go into town today because I also need more black yarn for the latest project I'm doing, which I wanted to finish this weekend. So we'll see about that. Maybe I can get 2 done this weekend. That would be amazing. So I'm going to cast on. Nope. I'm going to chain. I'm going to do my thing. And I'll come back to you in a little while. I'm just gonna drink my coffee, do my thing, watch the sun come up. I did today decide to dress nicely because I'm in a little rut and I keep putting on my baggy clothes and we just don't want that, do we? So I wasn't gonna go anywhere. And I'm not gonna go anywhere looking like this because I can't ride my scooter in a dress, in a skirt. So I do have to put on more baggy clothes to go into town. But I will do that. I'll go get my yarn. And then I'll come back because she also has shorts that I want to do. Kind of nice to wear like a matching set. A little funky set. Maybe I'll buy extra coloured yarn too. Treat myself, so you know, I'm in a little funk. Where am I at? Halter base. Halter. I guess I'm doing the Halter neck stuff. But I went to the yarn store. Let me show you. I got more colours. I got more green. She only had 2, so I got them both because I want to do shorts as well. Yay. And blue. Don't know why I got this one. I just liked this blue. It's so pretty. And look what they look like together. The perfect combo. Oh, I might do something together. And more black for my Celia top that I'm making and also almost finished. I'm hoping to finish this within the next few hours, and then move on to the other top. And I will be posting 2 videos during the week. This week, I'm on 1. I'm going crazy. Oh. So now I want to get going. I'm gonna keep going. the top done. And I need to add elastic on the inside of every row. And luckily today I got 10 meters. It's all tangled now, but whatever. So I'm just gonna do that right now. I'm on track to finishing today, so very happy about that. And I'm a bit stuck on whether or not I want to do the blue border or the pink. I don't know. I just uploaded an Instagram poll on my story to figure out which one I should do because I'm stuck. I'm struggling. My mind is telling me blue. I think I might wear it more if it's blue and green. And I did want to do something with the blue, so this might be the perfect thing. I need my other hook. So definitely not enough elastic. 10 meters only got me a quarter of the way. So that sucks. Definitely won't be finished tonight. I'm enjoying it though. So once, I keep saying so a lot, don't I? So I'm gonna do the border, and then tomorrow morning I will go to the store and get some more elastic, and I'll finish it tomorrow, edit this video tomorrow, post it on Monday. More thinking out loud. I seem to do that in all my videos. And then once I've done the border tonight, I'm going to keep going with the black top. Or I do have a pattern test. I might swap from crocheting for a bit and do this top that I'm working on. So many things, so many whips and choices. I'm gonna go with blue. Blue it is. My iPod died. You know what? I'm gonna try this on before I do anything else. What if it doesn't fit me? Okay, it definitely does fit. I feel like I've done the elastic too tight though. Maybe not. It's a little bit see-through right now, but I'm hoping once I've done more elastic, it'll kind of cover it up, or I'll just get nipple covers. But yeah, this is good. But also I'm trying to do like the edging on the bottom of the top. I'm not liking it. It looks good on hers. I think I might size down on the hook, crochet hook. Yes. Is there something you want? You need cuddles? It looks like you need some cuddles. Come on then. I don't want it. I don't want it. Oi! She has broke 2 of my mugs because she wants to get my coffee. This girl. Aww. This girl. This silly girl. Oh no, I've lost it. Ooh. Alright, look. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Dog hair on my crochets now. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Pain in the bum. all the way around. I'm thinking about my style. I'm not a frilly pick it stitch girl. So I have done, where are we? One side and then this side. So I'm going to do along the bottom and then I'm done for tonight, and I will see you when I have more elastic tomorrow. It is Sunday tomorrow, so I'm hoping that the shop is open, but I think it might be. Fingers crossed. So I want to end it for now, do my border, knit for the rest of the night, and that's it. I'm just going to take a chill night. I'm going to make some food. I'm going to watch the Confession Killer TV series, Netflix. That's it. That's it.
Driven 600 miles to kill in Saline County, Arkansas, on October 7. Traveled 950.
It's the next morning. No, it's not. It is the next afternoon. It's 2 p.m. almost. But I did go get my elastic, and a lot of it, because I'll be making another one of these. And I spent my morning actually doing it. So this is the inside, and it's so stretchy. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the top half. I'm gonna try it on and see what I think. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, honestly. Let me show you. It's not bad. It's a little bit tight. I think I might have done the elastic a bit tight, but I do like the colours. And it's a bit tight. Oh, you got them on the bottom, sorry. It's a bit tight up here as well. Just if I lift it up a bit, but I kind of wanted it a bit lower. I'll still wear it. It's really cute. I do need some nipple covers though. Lovely. My top is done and it is beautiful. I'm just over here taking some photos for Instagram. And he's trying to catch a fly. Lovely. Sorry, look, here's another one. I just can't get away from them all. And that is me done. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and I hope you liked watching the process of this, and maybe you can go make one yourself because it's adorbs. I'll definitely be making more in other colorways and be making the shorts, so I'll do that in part 2. I can't talk today. Part 2. Yeah, thanks for watching, I guess, and I'll link the pattern below in the description of the girl who makes these. I absolutely love all of her stuff. She is great, a great crocheter. Anyway, thank you once again, and see you next time.